Hello students, I am Mary here. Welcome to Math. Today we are going to study from chapter 2 Polynomials, exercise 2.4, question 4. Factorize, we are given 4 parts are there, 4 sums are there here. So we have 4 sums here to be solved. We have to do the factorization, meaning to find the factors for this polynomial. Till now factors were given to us and we were finding out the zero of the polynomial and we were finding out the value of k. But now we have to find out the factors of this polynomial. Now one condition you have to remember, that this method what I am going to teach you is applicable only when there are 3 terms are there. So in this polynomial you have 3 terms, 1 term, 2 term and 3 term. So only when 3 terms are there and quadratic polynomial, then only this method is applicable. So now let's see one by one how to find the factors or how to factorize this. So whenever you have these 3 terms of quadratic polynomial, you also have to understand quadratic polynomial means there will be at least 2 factors will be there. So when it is quadratic polynomial and when it is 3 terms are there, this is the method we have to apply. That is, you can also find out other methods, but this is one of the easy method which I think. So now you have the first term 12 you have, and the last term you have 1. So you have to multiply first term and the last term. So first term is 12 and then last term is 1. So total what we will get? We will get 12. Now for this 12 we have to find out the factors for 12. So 1 into 12 will be 12, then 2 into 6 will be 12, then 3 into 4 they are 12, then 4 into 4 will not come. So we have, these are the factors for 12. Okay. First you have to do this step. After doing this step, now look at the middle term. In the middle term, we have 7. Not only 7, we have minus 7. So now, any 2 numbers we have to take where we will get 7. Either you plus it or you minus it to whatever you want, either plus or minus. But provided we get this middle term. So now if you take 1 plus 12 will be 13, so it won't come. Now 1 or 12 minus 1 will be 11, so it doesn't come. Now if you take 2 plus 6 will be 8, so it doesn't come. 6 minus 2 if you take, then it will be 4, so this also doesn't fit. Now let's say 3 plus 4 will be 7, so we are getting 7, but then we have minus here. So what we will do, if 3 plus 4 is 7, but then if we write it minus 3 and minus 4, if we add we get minus 7. So finally we got minus 7 here. So we will take these 2 numbers, right? That means we are taking this number. So now let's take this. So we write 12 as it is, we will write 12 as it is. Then instead of minus 7, we are taking minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3, since we have x here, so you can write down x. Then another number is minus 4, since x is there, we'll write down the x. Now you write down this term as it is. I hope this step is clear to you. First we will find out first term, last term, multiply, get the factors, and in that factors find out any 2 number which will give us the middle term, and then that number we will write down instead of the middle term. So now this pair, you see, this pair and this pair separate now. Okay, so in this pair, which one can we take it out common, or you can say in which table both these numbers can be divided. So in 12, which number we can, with the 3 you can divide 3 completely, and then 3 also here divide 4 times, we will get 12. So let's take 3 out. So we will take 3 out. Now how many times we multiply, we will get 12? 4 times. So 3 into 4, 12. But x is there, so we will write 1x here. So then we have 3x, then here's 1x we have removed out. Here also 1x. So x is there. So 1x we have taken out as a common. And now 4 is here. Since here there are 2x, 1 we have removed common, so 1 will remain here. Now minus as it is. Now 3 we have removed as a common here. So in the place of 3 we will put 1. And x also we have removed as common. So 3x is removed as common here. From here with both 3x is taken out. So we will get now 4x minus 1. So now we multiply and see, you should get this number. 3x into 4x will get 12x square. 3x into 1 we will get minus 3x. So now write down this. Now for this also you have to do same way, but you can also do other way about. See, 4x minus 1 only have to come here also. 4x minus 1 only have to come here. Now which number can we write it out so that we get this number? So if we write minus 1, then minus 1 into 4x will get minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1 we will get plus 1. So this you have to calculate and see whether you are getting the same number when you are multiplying. Here also multiply and see whether you are getting same number or no. So what you have to do is first write down the common number or the common table outside will come. So here also the common table will come 1 only, the common table for this. Or you can see the number which can be completely dividing. So 1 can be divided completely by 1 only. Then it will be common for 4 also. So we take it out 1 outside, and then the sign we will see which sign is there. So now what we have? Now 3x we have, and here this minus 1 write down. This is one factor, and here 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. So one time we will write 4x minus 1. So that's the answer for this. Sorry. Now same way you have to do for the 2 also. So let's take first term and the last term. So 2 into 3. 6 we get. So what are the factors for 6? 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 3 are 6. Then will not get. Only 2 numbers we have. So in that factors, which 2 number we will get? 7. So 1 plus 6 will be 7. So let's take these 2 number. So 2x square. Now plus it is. So 1 plus 6 we are getting 7 and plus here. So no problem. So that means this can be written as 1x plus 6x because we have taken this number. So 1 we write down 1x, then 6 we write down 6x because x is there. So now 3. Now take the pair now. In this and this is one pair. Now here which one number common it will be? Obviously because 1 is here, so only with 1 we can divide fully 1. So we'll take it out common as 1. Since x square x, so we'll take it out 1x. So whether you write 1x or you write x also, no problem. This meaning is 1x only. So then, so with what if we multiply, we will get 2x. So 2x. So that means x into 2x will get 2x square. Oh, this plus I have forgotten. Now 1x is out. So what we will get here? Plus what we will get? That we will get 1x 1. Because this is out. So if you multiply and see x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1 will be 1x. So this is solved. Now another here. Now again normally we get the same thing here. So you can write down that way also. Now which number if we put, we will get 6? 3. So 3 into 2, 6x. Then 3 into 1, 3. So we will get 3 here. So now what will be the factor? X plus this 3 and 2x plus 1. Because here also 2x plus 1, here also. So this is the answer. Now let's see for the third one. So we'll quickly do it. First term and the last term. 6 into 6. 36. So now what we will see? We'll see the factors for this. So 1 into 36. 36. And 2 into how many we will get? So now these are the factors for 36. So 1 36, 36, 2 18 will be 36, 3 into 12 36, 4 into 9 36, 6 6 36. Now we have to get any two number which will give us the middle term. So middle term is plus 5. So we have to get plus 5. So here if you plus and minus will not get 5. Here also you plus or minus you won't get 5. Here also you plus 3 plus 12 will be 15. If you are minusing from 12 then you will get 9. So it won't suit. So you won't get it. Now here 4 plus 9 will be 13. But then from 9 if you are minusing 4 then we'll get 5. So that means this is the correct pair that we want. That means from 9 if you are minusing 4 then we will get 5. So let's write down now. 6x square. What we have to do? 9 we want. 9 we'll write down. So 9x then minus 4x because we are writing x because we have x here. Then minus 6. So now let us make it a pair here. Now this one pair we have. This is another pair we have. So let's take it out something common or you find out which table completely will divide 6 and 9. So in which table will get the complete division? 3 with 3 you can divide 6, with 3 you can divide 9 also. So let's take it out 3. Now x square is there, x is there. So 1x will remove it common. So now what we will have? 2 times x because 3 2s are 6 and x into x square. So then plus. Now 3 is out. So that means 3. Because x is out, common x is out. So now this is divided by 3 totally. So 3 3s are 9. So now if you multiply this you will get this. So as I said, write down the same thing again. 2x plus 3. Now you find out which number if we write we will get this. So with which number you will get 4. 2 you will get it. 2 2s are 4. 4x. But to get minus 4x we have to write minus 2. So 2 minus 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4x will get minus 4x. Then 2 3s are 6. So minus into plus will be minus. So this way we will find out. So now let's write down. So here also 2x plus 3. Here also 2x plus 3. So what is left is 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. So that's our answer. So let's do for the fourth one. So quickly write down the first and the last term. 3 into 4 is 12. Now what are the factors for 12? Already we have done. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4, 12. Now in this which pair is correct pair? So that we get here minus 1 because minus x means minus 1 we have to get. So which pair that we will get it? So let us see. Here if you plus or minus you won't get minus 1. Here also you won't get it. 2 plus 6 will be 8. From 6 minus 2 will be 4. So you won't get it. So here you see 3. Yeah, 3 plus 4 we won't get. But then from 4 if you are minusing 3 we will get it 1. So from 4 you have to minus 3. That means 4 should be greater number so that we get the minus here. So let's write down 3x square. Now minus 4x if we are in then plus 3x. See minus 4x plus 3x if we write then we will get minus 1. So now 4. So now let's see the pair now. Let's take out the pair. So which number can divide this completely? This is odd number, this is even number. So which one can completely divide? 1 only can be common number which can divide them. So let's take it. 1 will be out. 1 means then here x is there, here also x. So 1 x out. So now with what we will multiply? With 3x. We multiply, we'll get 3x square. Then minus x is out. So if you want to get 4, we'll write down. So then we'll get, so 3 into 3x, 3x square. Then 3 into minus 4, we'll get minus 4x. So same way I told you, first write down this here. Now with what number if we multiply, we will get this pair. Already 3x minus 4 we have. So we need 1 only. With 1 if you multiply only, you will get 3x. 1 you multiply, you will get 4. Minus 4 you will get it. So now 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 is common. And x and 1 is common. So x plus 1 and then 3x minus 4. So that's our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.